A very foggy Cultus Lake, January 25th, 2015. I'm in a kayak. I'm going to paddle myself around here to get the other side of the lake. Show you all the fog is housing right on the beach here. If you look over to the south of the lake, you'll see all the fog. Yeah, it's cleared up on this side, but it's still very foggy over that side. Oh, it's an airplane, float plane. Looks like he's coming in for a landing somewhere. Yeah, there's quite a few kayakers out here today, and paddle boaters, and oh no, I guess he's not landing, he's just flying very low over the lake there, but you see it's a float plane. Yeah, there's quite a few people walking along the pathway. Looking back toward the other end of the lake, towards the main beach area. Okay, I guess that's about it. So just thought I'd do a little video and show you can actually kayak in the middle of winter. It's about 60 degrees out here today. So like yesterday it was about 60, so which was 15 Celsius. So we've been having some record high temperatures around here. So I figured, well, get the kayak out and say this is the first time I've ever been out in the lake in the middle of winter.